Hello guys, you use smartphone Nubia Play 5G. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB Intel memory. Okay, open box, look complementation. In complementation we have device, okay, in the blue color. And this we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, good. Now talk about device. Device made of glass and metal. On the front side we have 6.65 inch. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker and slot for 2 nano SIM card. On this side without controls, right side power key and volume keys, device without headphones jack. On the back side quad camera and LED. Okay, turn on device, open settings. Display we have 120 Hz. Okay. This display Full HD AMOLED 120 Hz. And open tests. Geekbench 5, talk about system information. Snapdragon 765, this CPU, octa-core 6+1+1, GPU Adreno 620. Log results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, very good result. Okay, and open the mini game. The mini game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Max display setup, start game, and game works perfect on the max graphic level, perfect. Without lags and glitches, very good gameplay. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.